Hi, welcome. So, on this video, I'm going to teach you how to unsend a message on iMessage on using your iPhone. So before we get started, I just want to let you know that this version or this feature is only available for iOS 16 and above. Let me just remove this one right here. Okay, everything's good. So how can we check if what version iOS we have? It's gonna be on settings, and then please go on Generals tab right here. I'm gonna hold it so you can be highlighted. And then once you're here, go on software update, wait for it to check. Now, the thing you want to see here is going to be iOS 16.5 or iOS 16.5 iOS is up to date. Make sure that everything is good, that it says iOS is up to date on the bottom part. And of course, this feature is only for 16 iOS version and above. Now, to go on the tutorial itself, open your iMessage and then make sure that you have a friend that also has an iOS 16 or and above. Okay? So to unsend a message, for example, right here, I can just hold the message, click on edit, and as you can see here, I can edit the message. For example, I'm going to send an exclamation point rather than a period. Or if I send something, for example, 000, I'm going to hold it and click on send. Okay? Now the thing here is you cannot unsend the text or messages that you already sent a few minutes ago. I'm not quite sure on how long the time you have before you can unsend or you cannot. Now the fun part here is if your partner or your friend you're talking to also has iOS 16, they can check your message history. Just by clicking edit right there, they can see the previous message before it was edited. Okay, pretty slick, right? Anyway, again, it's gonna be, let me just set another one. Click on hold as fast as you can and click on send. Don't worry, unsending a message doesn't have a history, the same as editing it, okay? So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.